In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GroovyBot to your Discord server. GroovyBot is a popular addition for Discord users who want to elevate their music listening experience. With Groovy, you can play music, search for songs, add playlists, and even lyrics directly within your Discord server, making it an essential bot for any Discord community that loves music. First things first, you'll want to ensure that you're logged into your Discord account. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to Discord's official website. If you're not already signed in, Discord will prompt you to enter your email address and password. After you've filled in your credentials, click on the Login button to access your Discord dashboard. It's here in the comforts of Discord's home interface where the magic begins. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate your way to the Discord homepage if you're not already there. This page is your gateway to all your Discord servers and conversations. Now, the fun part starts. It's time to choose where you want Groovy to reside. Find and click on the server where you wish to add the GroovyBot. Remember, you need to have the necessary permissions to add bots to the server, typically reserved for server administrators or those with specific roles. After selecting the server, look for the App Directory button. This button leads you to a wide array of applications and bots that can be integrated into your server, including Groovy. Once in the app directory, use the search function by typing Groovy in the search bar to find the bot more easily. Upon searching, you'll see GroovyBot listed among the search results. Click on Groovy to proceed to its information and installation page. Here you're given a brief overview of what Groovy can do, along with the option to add it to your server. To initiate the addition process, click on the Add App button. Next, you'll be prompted to select a server to add Groovy to. This ensures that the bot is added to the correct community. Once you've selected the desired server from the drop-down menu, continue by clicking on the Add to Server option. After selecting your server, Discord will ask you to confirm the permissions that Groovy needs to function correctly within your server. It's generally safe to proceed with the recommended permissions, but feel free to review them to ensure they align with your server's privacy and security standards. When ready, click Continue to proceed to the next step. The final step in this process is to authorize GroovyBot to access your Discord server. You might be asked to prove you're not a robot with a CAPTCHA verification. After passing this security check, click the Authorize button. And just like that, GroovyBot will join your server and is now ready to use. With Groovy successfully added to your server, you and your community members can start enjoying music together. To play music with Groovy, simply type commands in the text channel where Groovy is active. For example, typing Feuertal play followed by a song name or a URL will have Groovy playing music in no time. Adding GroovyBot to your Discord server is a fantastic way to enhance your community's experience, fostering engagement and enjoyment through music. Whether you're hosting a virtual party, a study session, or just want to hang out with friends, Groovy makes it easy to listen to your favourite tunes together. Remember, managing a bot within your server can require some learning, so don't hesitate to explore Groovy's commands and features to make the most out of your music listening experience on Discord. And that's it. You've successfully added GroovyBot to your Discord server, kicking off an enhanced music-filled adventure for you and your community. Remember to play around with Groovy's features and commands to fully understand its capabilities. Happy listening,